It might be time for new tires. Worn tires can make driving unsafe. Shallow treads can double your stopping distance on wet roads compared to new tires. Knowing when to replace your tires is important. A few things to look out for are uneven wear or damage to the tires and low tread depth. To check your treads, place a penny head first into a few of your tires' tread grooves. If you can see the top of Lincoln's head, your treads are shallow, worn, and it's time to replace your tires. If you're still not sure, bring your Nissan in for an inspection. We'll check your treads and tire condition and offer options for tire replacement. We stock tires designed specifically for your Nissan to ensure you have the best performance, handling, and safety. Our factory-trained and certified techs will securely install your new tires to get you back on the road quickly. Trust us to keep you moving. Schedule an appointment today.